Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another get ready with me. I have a event kind of work thing tonight, so we're actually going out to Crown for a dinner at Conservatory and then going to karaoke, which will be a lot of fun. So I thought, let's get ready together. These videos are kind of fun to film. You guys get to kind of see a little bit of what I'm doing. I'm going to start off with doing my eyes today. So I have a new product from Natasha, Denona, if it will focus. So I'm gonna try this out today, and we're gonna keep it like pretty simple glam. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing as well. I love going to Crown, like it's such a nice casino slash entertainment complex, and it always smells good in there. I don't know, I feel like a lot of places they pump fragrance through the vents. Okay guys, so I have my eyes primed and ready to go. Okay, so for the main part of my like crease and all of that, I guess, I'm going to be using this palette here. This is the Colored Raine Queen of Hearts palette. I actually did a tutorial with this when I first got it. To start, we are going to go in with this color here called Air. I'm going to take that kind of like my crease color. Zoom you guys in so you can actually see. I'm trying to like get ready super quick today because this morning I had to go get my nails done. So I've got fresh nails, something more like natural, which I don't often do. They still have some sparkle in them, which is nice. But yeah, so this morning I slept in for a little bit and then I went to go get my nails done, and then I had a coffee with my sister. Then we went to my laser appointment, and then after that I went and got a couple of things from Becca and Sephora, and then rushed home. I had a quick shower, and then my sister actually straightened my hair for me, which was super nice because then I could actually clean some of my brushes, and then I just drove her home. So we are full steam ahead. Okay, so we've got that color all laid down. The next shade I'm going to go into is this color here called Royal Prerogative, and I'm going to take that just below the first color. Let me know if there are any like colors that you would like to see in an eyeshadow look. Like, I know that a few people on YouTube love doing like their colorful series. So if you want to see something like that, comment down below and let me know so I can film that for you. I love playing with color, and I feel like, especially on Instagram, I feel like posts that have like more colorful eye makeup tend to do better than like just more natural neutral tones. Okay, so we've got all of our like crease colors and everything down. Now I'm going to take this brush here and I'm going to go into the shade Duchess, which is that one there. And I'm going to take that on the outer corner of my eye. Okay, so we've got that down. Now let's go in with the Natasha Denona. This is the Chroma Crystal Liquid Eyeshadow, and it is in the shade Zone. So I picked this one because it kind of looks more like a duochrome shade. Nothing is coming out. Let's give this another shake. Okay, well, some like a little bit more seems to be coming out, but still not much. Let's just try. I'm just using my finger to like press it onto the lid and kind of get it where I want it. Okay, so when I actually managed to get some out, it's really nice. So I'm gonna do some on the other side. I think maybe it's just like, now it's coming out properly, so I think that it just needed to be like whipped around in the thing a little bit. Okay, so we've got that down. This is what it's looking like. So now I'm going to add an inner corner highlight. So for that, I'm going to go into the shade in this palette called Crown, which is this color here. It looks really light, but it's actually kind of like a duochrome shade. It comes up more like goldy when you apply it, as you can see. It's still quite bright, but now I'm going to go back in with that little brush, and I'm going to go into this shade here called Dethrone, and I'm just going to take that on the outer corner again where those two colors meet. Okay, so that is what our eye makeup is looking like so far. I'm going to do some liner and lashes off camera, and then I'll come back and we'll do my face. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I've got some liner and lashes on, and the lashes I'm wearing today are these ones from Huda Beauty. They're the Jade number 13. These ones here are like a faux mink, so they're triple stacked. They're really like fluffy, but these ones aren't too dramatic in comparison to the other Huda lashes that are available. I've also primed my skin while I was waiting for the lash glue to set down, and I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Primeriser today. So for my foundation, I'm going to be using the Dior Skin Forever in the same shade 012 that I used in my last Get Ready With Me, because I really like the finish of the foundation and how it wears. But I'm also going to mix in some of the Anastasia Liquid Glow Highlighter, and this is in the shade Perla, just to give like that extra glowy finish, you know? You can see on the back of my hand there, it doesn't look like glittery or anything. Just gives the skin like the extra sort of luminous finish. And I'm just blending that in with the XO Beauty Sponge. I need to get another one of these. I think I haven't used like my beauty blenders really in ages. I always reach for this sponge. I don't know, I really like it. Sometimes when I have like big lashes on, no other makeup, I feel like I look like I've got no eyebrows. I don't know, like I feel like bald or something. So weird. My under eyes just keep getting darker and darker. I have no idea. I think I need to start using my eye patches. I use eye cream, I drink like lots of water, but maybe I haven't been drinking as much water as I need to be. Now we are going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. So after you've painted on your face like this, you want to blend it out with a sponge or a brush. I put it just mainly under my eyes, but also for some reason I think I didn't put any foundation on my nose, or it just didn't stick. Like it's just not really sticking on my nose like anything today. Weird. I also want to know if any of you guys have tried any of the Glow Recipe skincare products, because me and my sister were looking in Mecca today and I really want the cleanser. Like it smells so good, and it seems to be like have really good ingredients as well. Like I like that the brand is formulated by like 2 cosmetic formulators, but also that it's clean. So if you guys have tried anything from the brand, what are your top picks, and how did you like it? How did it work for you? Okay, so we've got that down. Now we're gonna add cream contour, because if we're going somewhere and we're looking glam, we need to have some cream contour. So again, Huda Beauty Tantour in shade Fair with a synthetic brush. Okay, so we've got our cream contour done. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of setting powder. I'm gonna use, again, Bar by Pores from IT Cosmetics, because it's right here, and also I really like the way it looks on the skin. Just a light amount, because I don't want to look too matte. So I am still doing the gut guide thing with Beauty Chef, but tonight, because it's a buffet, I'm gonna still eat gluten-free, but I'm not going to like worry too much about like the other sort of things I'm eating. To highlight my face, I'm gonna be using Champagne Pop. And then we're gonna be adding a little bit of the Dior Glow Backstage palette. Because I'm quite fair, I find some highlighters I do have to mix it with like a lighter one so that it doesn't look too intense. Okay, so now we're gonna add some blush, and for that I'm gonna use that Marc Jacobs blush. It looks like this, and it's called Lines and Last Night. I'm just mostly going into that lighter side. Okay, so I need to add some color to my lower lash line now. So I'm gonna use these 2 colors here, and then probably a little bit of that as well, really close to the lash line. So I'm going in with the first color called Air. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Royal Prerogative. And I'm taking this one like closer to the lash line than the first color. And then we're gonna add a tiny little bit of that darker shade Duchess, just right at the lash line on the outer half of my eye. Just like that. And then I'm just gonna add a little bit of that inner corner highlight just at the inner corner on the lower lash line as well. Now we're gonna add some mascara. This is the Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir. Okay, and I need to do my brows because I like can't look at myself like this. So I'm gonna do my brows and then I'm gonna go get dressed. I will come back and show you what I'm wearing, and I will definitely look better with some brows, and then we'll put our lip on. So I'll see you guys in a sec. Okay guys, so I'm back. So I'm just wearing like a green sort of dress. It just has like little straps like this with a leather jacket, and then you can't see my boots, but I'm just wearing like black leather boots. So I have a necklace I want to wear as well, but no one is home, so I can't put it on myself. So I'm going to get my friend Jess to do it when she picks me up. So for a lip, I want to do something really nude. So for that, I'm gonna actually fill my whole lip with a lip liner. This is one from Makeup Forever called 3C. So you can see it just kind of looks like my own natural lip color. Nothing too crazy. And that's nice because it's so small, I can put it in my like handbag really easily. Then over the top, I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb in the shade Fussy. So now all that's left to do is to set my face, and then I need to grab my stuff and get out the door. So to set, I am going to use the Dewy setting spray. It like literally keeps dribbling. It's almost empty. Just tap in those little dribbles because that ain't cute. Yeah, so that is the end of this look, guys. I'll leave everything that I use listed below in case you're curious. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you leave. If you've tried any of the glow recipe stuff, please be sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what were your favorite products that you've tried or what do you recommend to me. And yeah, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.